friends. Today we're going to make a square ninja star that really flies well. You need 2 pieces of printer paper. You put 1 piece of paper aside, and with the other piece, you fold it horizontally. And keep it as even as possible. So the more even it is, the better it flies. Okay, so fold it in half. If you flip to the other side, you can see if there are any spaces. Over here, there's a space. So you just have to push it a little, like, push it a little that way. Now, push it down. Since you have a rectangle, push it this side down, and you have a skinny rectangle. With this piece, you fold this corner down, facing this way. And now you fold this corner this way, so they're facing opposite directions. And now you just put this paper aside and this paper. You do literally kind of like the same thing. So you fold it horizontally. Just check, like that, fold it down again. Now, since you have this, you fold this down. Now you fold this up. So you have this. Now you push this up and you push this down. So with the other paper, you put this paper in the middle. And if it's facing like this and this happens, and if you just fold it down and this happens, then you should just flip the square in the middle, like this. So now you have this. With this corner, you open this flap, you push this down, and close the flap. With this, see this pocket you made? Just open it a little. Get this and bend it and put it right in the pocket. So now you have a square ninja star. You throw it like this and like put as much force as you can so it flies farther. Thank you for watching.